wagenda, wiruka. So in the meantime, let me be teaching you something that I started with, and I was saying that imperatives. I don't know what an imperative means, but imperative is more like a second person singular, simply the stem of a verb. You see, like later, ija, kora, rya, hata, yozya. All these are called imperatives. They are just stems of a verb. You get it? Because it is kuija, kukora, kuria. But if they are just the short ones, that's they're called imperatives. So, I want to show you otareta. That's don't bring. So these words, how they become negative. The negative particle ta is inserted between the subject prefix and the verb stem. If the stem of the verb begins with a vowel other than I, the a of ta is dropped, and the following vowel lengthened. You see, like this, the word is called the reta. Reta. So R is not a vowel. So what do we do? The ta is put as it is. Then we have ija. If you want to make ija to be a negative, you add the subject prefix, which is o, and then you put ta, and then the verb. The verb begins with I, so we drop. No, the verb begins with I, and so I is not dropped. We go to eta. This eta, this word eta means to call. So, how do we make it a negative? We have O already, and this T, which was ta, because the verb stem is begins with a vowel, and the vowel is not a. The vowel is not I, is not e. So what do we do? What we do is one, we drop the a, and we double the vowel, and the verb what becomes oteta. You get it? Oteta. Then we have otanyeta. Don't call me, cause this one comes with the nyeta. Nyeta is call me. Nyeta. Nyeta. Call me. So if you have the ta remains because any is not a vowel. Otamweta. Don't call him or her. This mwe means him or her. Then yes, you're back. Hello.
Yes, I'm back. I'm sorry.
It is okay. Now, yeah, do you know actually what this means? How these words become negatives? This word o is what we call the subject prefix. The verb here is rya. Because rya doesn't begin with a vowel, that is why we call it, we remain with ta. and it is otarya. Don't eat. Now, this O basically means one person. You hearing me? This O means just one person. Otarya. You are telling one person, or one person. You are like telling you don't eat. So if there are many, and you are telling them that you should not eat, that's why you put the word mu, then you put ta, then mutarya. So you are telling them that don't eat, mutarya. That you are telling them in plural that you don't eat. Now, if you are telling like them, you are having a group of them, like you are telling somebody that them, they should not eat. They should not eat. So you say vatarya. 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 They should not eat. They shouldn't eat. They should.
Okay.
No. Okay, sorry. They don't eat. But this vatarya now makes it to be shouldn't. They shouldn't eat. Vatarya. You don't eat. They don't eat. Okay. Tivarya. Anyway. Yeah. Then we have otanga. You know this one comes from okwanga. This anga means that hate. Don't hate or refuse. So this is don't refuse, because the word anger means to refuse or to hate. Or to hate.
Okay.
So if I say otanga, I'm telling a person that don't refuse. If I want to tell people that they should not refuse, then I will say mutanga. Mutanga. I'm telling them that you should not refuse. Or you don't refuse. Mutanga. You don't refuse.
Okay.
Mutanga.
Okay.
Then
I refuse.
I refuse. That has to be ninyanga.
Yeah.
Ninyanga. I refuse. Ninyanga. Then we have otozia. Don't wash.
Otozia.
Otozia. Don't wash. Okozia, actually ozia means to wash. I think it is more like in Kiswahili it is, isn't it oza? Oza. That is to wash. So here we have ozia. And you find mostly we call it, so to wash is kwozia, which in Kiswahili also be saying kozia, koza. Yeah. Then we have the initial vowel. You know, like a vowel that begins most of the words in Runyankole. So we say that most nouns, adjectives, they have an initial vowel which stands before the class prefix of the word. Thus, the word ekitabo consists of the initial vowel A, then the class chi, and then the stem, which is tabo. So you can see ekitabo. So we have, I'm just bringing how words are written. They are made up of the beginning, the initial vowel. So here we have that nouns which contain u, they take the initial vowel o. We have like words like omuti. You see this u. This u is the one that is bringing it to be o. And then we have omucheri. Omucheri. I think this makes pronunciation simpler now. Omugusha. Omusiri. Omusiri. Omuhinji. Omutechi.
What's
So,
omugusha?
Omugusha is
Omugusha.
sorghum.
Ah.
I remember when you asked me that you've never seen sorghum, but I've not seen a picture where sorghum is, because I promised I will take a pic. I think where I'm staying, it was grown last season. This season they have not grown it.
Okay.
So most words in Runyankole that you see beginning with O, it's because they have u within them. Then we have nouns whose prefix contain a, they take the vowel a. We have amahuri, those are eggs. It's because of this a. Amazing. This one, you read for me this one.
Which one?
This one,
Amazing. Abatechi.
abatechi, those are cooks or caterers. Then this one,
Ente.
amate.
No, it's Ente. Where am I? I didn't see you. I was down. I saw it. Sorry.
Then we have this one.
I didn't.
This one. You don't see it well?
I can see now.
Tizi.
Akatunda.
Akatunda. This is a passion fruit. Yes. And if there are many now, they become obutunda. This whole thing changes to be obutunda. Then we have akasosi. That's the other kasmoro plate. And the rest of the nouns take the vowel a. Ente, emiti, echimba, enyama, ihuri, ekikyoli, entebe, enyindo. Entebe is a chair. Then we have a meza.
Meza. The table.
A meza is a table. Now, these words also apply to, we have the adjectives, the words that we use to join other words. So we have omukasheshe, ahamuriro. Omu is in the. Kasheshe is morning. Omunju, in the house. Omu motoka, in the car. Omuchitabo, in the book. Aha is on. Ahamizi, on the water, on water. Ahantebe, on the table. Omu, it is still in the, still the same. Then we have this this ibara. So this means every. Nindeba buri muntu. Somebody can say nindeba ibara muntu. That means I'm seeing every person. Still you can apply nindeba buri muntu. Like if you say nindeba buri muntu nanywa, that means I'm seeing every person drinking. Somebody can say nindeba ibara muntu. That means every. Then in most cases after a negative verb. You see, I think I was saying about to kunywa. If you want to say that I don't drink, Talia, he doesn't. Did we see something like ta? Yeah, that's where we were from. Like we see this word tarakore, but we put la. So Talia, then he doesn't eat bread. I was seeing some word ta. Yeah. Now if you say that this person doesn't work, how do you say that he doesn't work?
He doesn't work?
He doesn't work.
You said tarakore.
No, tarakore is will not work. So takora. You say that takora. Takora. He doesn't work. Because remember, there you know, here we were.
ايش؟ بعدين شوف حطيه على هذا الدجاج عشان تسوي على حاجه، حطيه على الدجاج اللي شفتيه نظيف عشان لما تصير تفتح عشان تحطي Yes,
so this, if you want to say he doesn't work, you say takora. Takora, because here you see we were saying otakora. This one means don't work. You are telling him or her that don't work. So now when we are going to make it doesn't and want to put in the word of he or she, then we put takora. Takora. That's why we had this word batakora. Takora. That means they are making them, they shouldn't work. But if you make it like takora, he doesn't work. This one will be enough that it will mean that this person doesn't work. Takora, he doesn't work. Now talya mugati, he doesn't eat bread. Tinywa marwa, I don't drink beer.
And if you're referring to another person?
Yes, if you are referring to another person, talya, tanywa. It will now be tanywa. Tanywa marwa. Tanywa marwa. Meaning he doesn't drink alcohol. So we see some other. Another way of making we're continuing to see how some other words are applied. Ogumukazi nayenda kulya. This woman wants to eat. So here the initial vowel is O. Ogumukazi nayenda kulya. Ogumushisha, ogumwana, ogumushomesa. So this ogu mainly, ogu means it mainly applies to people, human beings. If you want to apply, if ogu, it is mainly applying to, it is this, but when it is applying to human beings. Ogumukazi, ogumushisha, ogumwana, ogumushomesa. Ogumushomesa, that's this teacher. Ogumuburizi, this preacher. Ogumuhinji, this farmer. Ogu means this, but for a person. Then echi, echitabo, chitanda, this bed. So echi also means this. Echichikopo, this cup. Then ekizimbe. Ekizimbe means this ekizimbe means building. Ekizimbe. So kizimbe, that's a building. Kyombeko. Sorry. Kyombeko. Ekyombeko.
Kyombeko.
This building. Because for us buildings we call them ebyombeko. And okwombeka means to build. Okwombeka. It is to build. So meaning if I say ekyombeko, I mean this building. Then we have this EZ. Ezindi mbuzi ziri nkahi. This EZ EZ is this for animals. This one E then Z is meaning for, it is for animals. Animals, ezonkoko, you can say ezonkoko. Those cows. Okay, it is in plural, but if you say ezinkoko, ejinkoko, sorry, ejinkoko, this hen, ejinte, this cow. So mainly this A then with G is meaning just singular, one animal. It is used AG, used to mean a single animal. Single animal. Now if you want to mean many animals, then you say ezonte. That means those cows. Ezombuzi, those goats. Ezontama, those sheep. Ezombata. So ezo, this is the plural. This is those for animals. I think you know what I'm meaning. It is those for animals. Then AG is this for animals. For one animal. For a single animal. For a single animal. Then when it becomes a question, this ezo becomes a Z, becomes Z. But this one is complex, we can leave it for now. Ekyombeko. So if you are referring now, you know what this means. This, I think now you can make sentences with this. This book, that. Here I would have said ezombuzi ninungi. Those cows are good.
That's good. Good.
Ezombuzi ninungi. Ezombuzi ni nungi. That means those goats are good. Those goats are good. Those goats are good. Let's see another statement. Particular emphasis. We have other like otandetera omugati. Don't bring me bread. Like we saw this one. Otarya enyama. Don't eat meat. So we are continuing to see how otarya enyama. Don't eat meat.
What about you bring for me of that?
Then that word begins, it becomes ndetera. Because the word is called, the word is ndetera. When you add ta, it becomes negative. It becomes negative. Like otantera. Don't beat me. I don't want to tell a person to beat you. You say ntera. So we have when the noun, this key we see it is a question. So if I say numuntu ki owarya amagufa, how do you translate ni muntu? Muntu is a person. Chi is what? Owarya is has eaten. Amagufa means bones. Amagufa means bones. So if you want to say that latecomers, if you want to say that latecomers eat bones, how do we say it? Latecomers eat bones. We say abachererezi nibarya abachererezi barya amagufa. Latecomers eat bones. Abachererezi barya amagufa. Then if I want to ask wateka nyamaki, how do you reply? Wateka nyamaki. Wateka nyamaki. Wateka nyamaki. You say?
Yeah. Nateka yente.
Nateka enyama yente. Nateka enyama yembuzi. Nateka enyama yenkoko.
Yeah.
I have cooked. This one can also be what type of meat? Yes? Hello?
Hello? Something's wrong. There's no connection. I can't hear you.
Hey, you're not hearing me. I think now you are hearing me. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now. Today I will go early. There's something I have to go and do. So we shall not go beyond 6:10. So we see there are some adjectives, they don't retain their initial vowel, like echango. Echango means something big. Echiche. So here ninyenda echitoche chango. I want a big banana. Are you seeing what this a brings? This a brings there. Ninyenda echitoche echango. Now, if I say ninyenda echitoche chiche. Oh, I can do it and say, I want a small banana.
Hello.
Yes. I want the small banana.
You know that I lost connection some time back.
Oh, yeah. I actually had you exit. But you exited, I think, before we were still here. We had finished here of Wateka Nyamachi. Tukwe?
Yes.
So now we are seeing some sentences where you have they and where you don't have they.
Okay.
You see, like here, ninyenda echitoche chango. I want a big banana. So if I want to say that I want the big banana, then I say ninyenda echitoche echango. Echango. That one brings about the. Then somebody can say ninyenda echitoche chiche. I want a small banana. Then if you want to say the small banana, then you will say ninyenda echitoche echiche. So some sentences where you have a that is in a sentence, you know that means the. If a is beginning a sentence and it is not it is adding more meaning. Like if I say omwojo murungi. If I say omwojo murungi, I am meaning a good boy. Then if I say omwojo omurungi, I'm meaning the good boy. Sorry. I'm meaning the big boy. No, the good boy, sorry. The good boy. So, where you find that a vowel in a sentence and it is on an adjective, like a word that gives more meaning. Like
Yes.
omurumo omurungi. That is omurumo murungi, that is good work. But if it becomes omurumo omurungi, omurumo murungi, that means a good work.
A good work.
or good work. But if it becomes omurimo, omurungi, that one means the good work. So vowel, where it is on an adjective, it means the. Now, I think this could be our last. No. Okay, we shall stop from here. So we have the present imperfect tense. You know what is imperfect? It is happening now, but it is like you say, I'm cooking, you are cooking, he's cooking, we are cooking, you are cooking, they are cooking. That is called the present imperfect tense. So we have a word like ninteka, I am cooking. I remember you asked me, ninkora. Ninkora is I am working. Noteka, you are cooking. How do we say you are working?
How do we say you are working? You are, when you relate to another person or that?
You are working. N-I becomes N before a vowel which is accordingly lengthened. N-I, take before a vowel which, or take, it becomes nokora. You are working, nokora. Then nateka. You notice this one is N-A double. Nateka, he is cooking or she is cooking. Nituteka, we are cooking. Nimuteka, you are cooking. Nitukora,
okay,
we are working. Nivateka, they are working. Nivateka. So we can see how it is applied. This tense commonly used in place of the present indefinite tense. Ninkunda kulya omucheri. I like eating rice. Compare it with nkunda kulya omucheri. These they are similar, only that here we choose to make it short. Nkunda kulya omucheri. Nkunda emotoka. I like nkunda kugenda. I like going. Oh, it looks like it's raining. Okay, so we shall add on to more. Yes.
It's raining every day there. You're lucky.
Hello.
I heard you saying that it seems that it's raining.
No, it looks like it's going to rain, so it's looking dark outside. So we shall add on tomorrow.
Okay, before we go, Mr. Dennis, I want to ask you one thing.
Yes, you are free to ask
To
me.
tell. You told me to tell. Like, to tell. Understand, yeah? To tell is to kugamba. Kugamba.
Kugambira. Kugamba is to speak.
Okay.
Then
Kugamba is to speak.
Then kugambira is to tell.
Okay, I want you to help me here. I was telling you.
I was telling you, you say, naba ninkugambira.
Niba or naba?
I was telling you. It is naba. Naba ninkugambira. Then, if it is I'm telling you, nimba ninkugambira.
Nimba?
Ninkugambira. Naba ninkugambira is because you said naba ninkugambira, I was telling you. Naba ninkugambira. It is in the past. Naba ninkugambira. Naba ninkweta.
Okay.
Naba ninjenda. I was. Naba ninkweta. Naba ninkweta. I was calling you. Naba ninkweta. I was calling you. So this naba means I was.
Okay, what about I will tell you?
I will.
I will tell you tomorrow.
I will tell you tomorrow. You say, ninza kukugambira.
Ninza kukugambira.
Ninza kukugambira nyenkya kale. Ninza kukugambira. Ninza kukugambira. Ninza kukugambira nyenkya kale. I will tell you tomorrow.
Okay, I told her it's last.
I told her nka. Nka is like nkagenda, I went. Nkazayo, nkarya, I ate. We are going to move to that tense of having you talking something that happened in the past when you are reporting to a person. Nkamugambira. Nkamugambira, that is I told him. Then nkakugambira, I told you. I told you, nkakugambira. Nkakugambira.
Okay, Mr. Dennis, we good.
So have the best of the day. Nice time. Gosh, now I'll go tomorrow. You know.